Hey guys, it's Lisa from Own the Day Planner. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is dedicated to all things planner related, productivity, lifestyle hacks, all that good stuff. So if you like that stuff and planner related videos and crafting and DIYs, then stick around because there's tons more to come. In this video, we are going to go to part 2 of the massive Carpe Diem haul that I did just recently. But if you missed part 1, you want to go back and check out part 1 and then come right back over here and I'll be waiting for us to go through part 2 of the massive haul. So let's jump right into it. Okay, up next we have some planner dividers. So these are just straightforward dividers in some beautiful pastels. I thought it looked really cute for spring, and there is some touches of lavender in there, so I may use them in my current A5. And so they do already have the tabs on them. And you can see, I love this one with the like stationary office supplies, the paper clips and things like that, and I believe we call those butterfly clips. And again, there's the typewriters in some funky colors, kind of vintage looking. There's some midnight floral again, and just some cool stuff to dress it up. So this is a set of 6 dividers, and they feel pretty solid, pretty thick, very much like the pocket folders. So if I open these up, yeah, they feel pretty good. I mean, they're a bit floppy, but oh, I didn't realize they had a cool design on the back as well. So there is sort of a corresponding design on the back of each one. The midnight floral one has some polka dots and some pastels. The lovely, lovely typewriters. One day I am going to do an entire vintage themed A5 setup, probably for a quarterly setup. I'm looking forward to that. On the back we have some different kind of polka dots and some sort of like yellow mustardy color. And then we have some paint splashes on, again, some rustic looking wood, which I really love, some stripes, some more pink, and this has a cute love, smile, today, life, and again some corresponding colors here. And finally we have the really cute office stationery looking one, which I just love. It's so cute. And then we've got some script writing and some pink there. So all in all, 6 tab dividers. Again, I'm not sure yet what I'm going to be using these for. I know I will be using them because I have been so excited to start this A5 journey. So I did need some supplies to do that. So there we go. Okay, so we're still going here. It's a large haul. This was my Mother's Day gift to self. So I actually picked up these dividers with tabs. These are sort of the monthly planner inserts, but what I didn't realize when I ordered it, I think I was just half asleep. I thought it was actually just the tab dividers, sort of with each of the months. I did not realize that there were actually inserts that came in it. So I am blown away now and even more excited to take a look at these. So I thought that it was literally just the January, February, March, and I thought these were so cute, again with the midnight florals. But what I didn't realize, oh, that's so cute, and they're even double-sided. Start each day with a grateful heart. Do more of what makes you happy. That's for March. What I did not realize is that there is an undated monthly calendar attached. So how sweet is that? So I've just scored an extra monthly. I currently have some monthlies that I purchased from a random Amazon brand. I can't even recall what it was, just to have some monthlies to start myself off with. I'm more of a daily planner girl. You will see that if you follow this channel and my videos. I am going to go all out on the dailies because I am so all about the dailies. But I did think it would be helpful to have a monthly spread as well, but didn't realize that these came like that. So that's pretty cool. And then we've got April. These are some really pretty patterns. I love that they are undated because this does not tie me down to using them necessarily this year. Those are pretty as well. We've got May, Oh, look at that. I have a bike that looks just like this. Actually, mine is aqua blue, and I do have a basket with flowers on it. Told you I liked vintage stuff. So that is beautiful. That would be perfect. It's for June. So I could use this in any given year. Don't necessarily have to use it now in 2020. This is so pretty. You are surrounded by love, goodness, and beautiful things. That is so sweet. So that's July. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Look at those butterflies. I also have a thing for sort of vintage looking butterfly patterns. I design a lot of things with that as well. These are really, really cute. So we've got September, October, very nice. These are really a lot nicer than I was expecting them to be. They are thinner than the other one, so quite a bit floppier, but again, they're inserts. You're meant to be writing on them, so they don't necessarily need to be extremely thick. Oh, that's cute. And how pretty is that? And there's December. So the only thing that I find odd is, oh, there we go. It was stuck to it. I was like, where's January? I saw the divider for it, but hadn't seen the actual, there we go. And January, February. So they are all there. That is a total bonus. I thought I was purchasing just the tabs, the dividers with the tabs for the months to reuse them sort of over and over again, but what a bonus to actually have the inserts. All right, now, of course, wanting to be the ever studious A5 planner learner, I had to pick up some, again, tabs here for the months. And same thing, I thought I was buying just the dividers with the tabs for the different months, and I thought, oh, how cute, you know, these are seasonal. We've got the little snowman for January. If ever I'm feeling really festive and really want to go themed, I could do that. But again, did not realize, I don't know what I was thinking when I bought them, but this is a total bonus. I didn't realize that it actually came with a monthly spread that is undated. So I really see a lot of value in that, given that I don't know if I'm using it right away, but it'll never be wasted because I will certainly use it, and I'm not tied down to using it at any particular time. I don't have to use them in 2020 if I decide not to do that, since we are already in May. So here we've got, I'm sure some of you have seen these in other videos, but they are really, really cute. February, we have the love theme. Oh, again, the vintage bike. I love this. It's pink again in this one. Mine is aqua blue in real life, but that is just really cute. Really loving these. Happy spring for Easter in April, because that's an Easter theme. May, it's a beautiful day. Certainly is. Hello Summer, of course, for June. I really love these. And, you know, the other thought I had is, you know, if ever, and I'm sure you've seen other people in videos do them, if you do actually use the monthly spread, but then you really just love the cover and you want to reuse it, nothing stops you from just covering this with a beautiful piece of cardstock and adhering it to that, or simply taking the one that it came with, so your month that's been used, and just adhesive tape it to that, glue it, whatever you use to tape it to that, and then you still have your June tab, and you can still use this if you really, really like it. And you can even take it one step further if you've already used the actual inside and you want these to last you a really long time. You can just run these through your laminator if you have one, and then just cut around the tab and just repunch it, and then you will have the images that you like with the tabs already done for you, with the font nice and neat that all matches. So that's another way that you can reuse ones that are undated that you may in fact use at one point, but just love the artwork on them. So July says, hooray for today. Another vintage looking radio. Love it. Good vibes only. Check out the vintage bus. Love that. And another vintage typewriter. I'm really loving the style and their patterns here. This is totally me. The office supplies for October. We've got a little Halloween theme. For November, Hello Fall. That's really cute. And what else? December. It's the most wonderful time of the year. These are really sweet, and I truly think that I will want to use them for a long time to come. So the first time I use them, I'll probably date them myself, and then maybe laminate them with the original 2 pieces glued together so that I can use them again and keep their pretty artwork. So that was a total bonus. I thought I was just buying the dividers once again, not realizing that I actually had the monthly inserts. All right, we are getting to the end, but we're not quite there yet. Obviously, like any good A5 planner, I really wanted to have some really cute quote cards. So I picked up a pack of 24 pieces here. The pricing on the sale was just incredible. I know these are quite pricey normally, so I'll just show you a few of these here. I think this was less than $5, something like that. We've got Like a Boss, Heart, Love. Oh, look at that. Life is Good, Big Plans, Totally Me, Organized Chaos, Good Vibes Only, Make It Happen. Another vintage bicycle basket, Totally Me. And the funny thing is I didn't even really look at all the designs before I purchased them, not realizing I was going to love them so much. And once again, how well done these are, I have to say, they're all double-sided. I mean, it's really beautiful. So for example, if you wanted this showing on the inside card pocket of your A5 planner at some point, and then you wanted to flip it to do florals at some point, I mean, it just gives you so much versatility. I'm really impressed with that because I would have expected these to be really well done on one side and just plain white on the other, but they are not. And I realized I didn't show you the back sides of them, so I'll do that in a minute. There is the inside of a typewriter, slightly larger one with holes, so we can just use that as a cute little sectioned off divider, and it's cute. It has hello on both sides. Busy, 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 Totally Me. Same thing on that side. Every day I'm hustling. I love that. It's on both sides. These you can feel are quite a bit thinner. They're meant to be inside, so they are going to be more protected. Quit slacking and Make It Happen. Every Day Counts. Again, with that nice sort of vintage looking wood. The Struggle is Real. How cute is this? See, now this is something that, again, I might want to laminate because I could totally use a white erase marker on here or just have it as a cute little sectioned off divider. I could even put a tab on it if I wanted at some point in the future. But if I were to laminate this, then I could totally use it long term and not have it get all scuffed up from being used and flipped so often. Don't Quit Your Daydreams. That's really cute. Plan for Good Things. I am really impressed with the way that these are well thought out. And here, how adorable is this? It's meant to look like you ripped it out of a pad, but it's actually punched for A5. That is just really adorable. Again, something that, you know, you could reuse or laminate and use the lines with a white erase marker. Here is that same image of the bicycle with the basket that says Enjoy the Journey, and then Dream It, Do It. So those are the ones that are the same from the front to the back, the ones that are punched. But then the flip side of sort of the quote cards there. So you saw these sides, but if I flip them, they all have these pretty patterns. So if ever you just wanted a little, you know, cute pattern, or you wanted to flip it, or you were bored with what it looked like, you could easily flip that. So that's cute, little bows. These are the polka dots. Some more florals here. So really impressed with these quote cards. I am so excited to put these to good use. And again, something that I may consider laminating so that they don't get stuffed up, that they don't get scuffed or bent or torn, or should liquid or some coffee fall on them, because that would be me to spill coffee for sure on something that I really like. So I may laminate those so that I can preserve them. Okay, next up, Insta quote stickers. Now, I am not very talented on decorating just yet. I've gotten into the washi, you'll see that in a future video, but I didn't actually own any planner stickers, and so this is the first ever little pack. These are just little quote cards. I'm not going to open them up all for you, but you can just kind of see them there. They're colorful, they've got cute sayings on them, like good vibes, hello with a vintage phone, things like don't forget, let's do this, dream big. So just something that I'm going to learn to do and start to use them in my planner spread. So I'm excited for that. And similar to the shopping lists, we now have the to-do lists from Carpe Diem. I've seen these in a few videos. I tended to always make my own, but I like the fact that these will probably be sort of thicker paper and they're unlikely to rip. Sometimes I would washi tape the holes and then repunch them so it would make them a little bit stronger. So when I'd be flipping this day in and day out, it wouldn't rip as easily because I certainly wasn't using very thick paper. I was just using regular printer copy paper to make these. I've designed a few of my own, but I thought why not have a few ready-made. And then sticky notes, because who doesn't love sticky notes on a dashboard or inbox in your A5 planner? Now, as I said, I am new to A5, but I have been intrigued by A5s and even smaller bring planners, traveler's notebooks. People have these things everywhere, and I tend to sort of make my own. I'll make flags, or I'll have Post-its, but these are cute because they're actually decorated, so you can see some butterflies, and they've got some patterns on them. So I thought, why not have something pretty for spring and summer? Again, this whole haul was my Mother's Day gift to me. So if it seems a little extensive, keep in mind there was a massive sale. Things were 50 to 75% off. All right, so my camera conked out just as I was getting to the last item in the haul, which was these stickers. And I was just thinking about what the total was. And honestly, I think for this entire haul, which is a lot of items, including the A5 planner in Clover, I think it came to like something like $35. That's Canadian, which is whatever the conversion is in US. It's not too different. But so the last one was the planner stickers. They're just really cute. They've got some cute sayings on them. So yeah, just some cute little things that I can use in my monthlies, in my dailies, and maybe one day if I get to weekly spreads, we'll see. But as I said, I am currently all about the dailies. You'll see a lot about dailies and how I use them for business, for planning, productivity, all of that, goals and lifestyle. And so that is the first ever Carpe Diem haul. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found something good that you like in this. I don't know how long the sale is going on, but it was going on in May. We are still in May 2020, so hopefully if you want to pick up some of these goodies before they're gone at incredible prices, you can check that out. If you are interested in planning, in unboxing, in reviews, in productivity and lifestyle hacks, then I strongly encourage you to give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be uploading at least 2 videos a week, planning, planner related, plan with me, crafting, and I plan on doing at least 1 product review, planner related, or some sort of lifestyle hack related product once a month. So there'll be those thrown in the mix as well. See you next time.